You have got to try this absolutely blazing Caribbean pepper sauce. It's perfect for proteins, for soups, for stews. It's exactly what you need to bring a bit of heat to any meal. So I'm starting off by preparing my Scotch bonnet and my chili pepper. So here I've got 4 Scotch bonnets and I add 1 chili pepper, which is not as hot but still brings a bit of heat. Then I'm going to prep some garlic. So you want about 2 to 3 cloves. All of these ingredients we're going to blend and grind down later on in the process. Now I take a medium brown onion and I'm just going to use about a quarter of this. And then I'm going to start to chuck everything in my food processor. So along with all of the delicious and fresh ingredients that we just chopped, which give it a really nice taste, I'm also going to add some white wine vinegar and some lime, which do enhance the taste, but also help with preserving the pepper sauce mix that we're about to make. I add a tiny bit of salt, a little bit of sugar to balance it out, and then you just want to start to grind this down in your food processor. So I finish it off in my blender to just get it a bit more liquidy and to the texture that you see here. And then I'm just going to pack this away and store it in the fridge, ready to use to spice up many different foods. Now, if you love a bit of heat, you've got to try this. It is truly delicious and packs a punch. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.